DJI OSMO Pocket 3 is probably the best camera for vlogging, but is it equally good for taking cinematic shots? Let's find out.
Gen X Cinema, filmmaking and photography.
Hey everyone, George is here from Gen X Cinema. I finally decided to buy DJI OSMO Pocket 3. I'm not much into vlogging. I'd rather want to augment my Sony FX30 camera for taking cinematic shots. I must say, OSMO Pocket 3 has exceeded all my expectations. Even though it was the first time I was holding in hand and actually using it, it felt like home. DJI has managed to make it so easy to use and so intuitive, there is no excuse not to carry it with you all the time. Without much ado, this is what we got.